Pattern 1.5, Metaperspective. So this is maybe, could you say, a general pattern for the whole question of reflection, looking at things from a meta perspective, from something beyond or higher with distance. And people who can do this trick, so who are able to take a meta perspective, often forget that this is not so easy. So not everybody's really capable of taking this meta perspective, taking oneself outside of a context, looking at oneself from outside, seeing, hearing, feeling maybe, what is it that I'm doing here? What is happening here in this context? And sometimes it really needs somebody else to take our hand and to help us to get outside. Sometimes people are using small objects on the table, so okay, this is me and this is the other person and this is the context, and then it helps to look at the whole scene from outside. And you can always take a one step more beyond, one step more afar from the situation, and you can see how this makes a difference in our emotions, in our perception. We can see more of the context. Maybe it gets less relevant. And so we can calibrate the distance to the thing we are observing. And it's important when we're talking about meta perspective also to see whether we are in the picture ourselves. So sometimes when people say, oh, I'm taking meta perspective, they're only looking at the others and not at themselves. So let's take ourselves also into the picture and look at the whole scene, including ourselves from outside, taking meta perspective.